Now, the video recorder does not require a hard drive to be installed for it to operate. The operating system is actually in firmware in the video recorder. The hard drives themselves is only for 100% video storage. It doesn't store any operating system, it doesn't store any firmware, anything like that. All video surveillance systems use SATA hard drives, the standard PC hard drives that you find in computers. You gotta be careful with what hard drive you choose to use. If you use a standard PC version hard drive, it's gonna work great for about a year. But they're not designed for heavy workloads that the 4K video produces. We use Western Digital Purple hard drives. Now, those are designed for video surveillance. They're basically a server class hard drive. Pick a server class hard drive or one that is made for video surveillance. There's variables to selecting the hard drive. First, you start with how many days of storage do you want? Do you want 2 weeks or a month? The next question is, how many cameras do you have? What resolution do you have? And how are you going to record continuously or on motion recording? Now, because there's all these variables in how to choose the hard drive that you need, we have a calculator on our website that you can use, and it will tell you exactly how big of a hard drive you need. When you go to our website, under parts, you'll see hard drives and memory. Click on that and scroll down and you'll see a hard drive calculator. Here you can choose which version of the Backstreet system you're using, ProVue or CyberSecure. So let's say we're using ProVue right now. Let's say that we have 10 cameras. We want, let's say, a week of storage. Let's say we don't need much. And we're going to use motion recording to record. But we got those beautiful 4K cameras, so we're going to use 4K cameras. And we're going to record, let's say, live video. We're going to record in 30 frames a second. So for 10 cameras for a week of storage with ProVue, we need a 6 terabyte hard drive. Now, CyberSecure has its own compression format, which reduces the storage substantially. So if we take those same parameters, but we're going with a CyberSecure system, we switch over to that, and you'll notice that it drops the storage requirements in half. Now we only need a 3 terabyte hard drive for the same amount of storage for that system. So feel free to use this storage calculator to figure out exactly what size hard drive you need.